Today I am going to explain you the same chapter, that is atomic structure and chemical bonding, and the topic is J.J. Thomson model of the atom or Thomson plum pudding model. According to this model, an atom is considered to be a sphere of uniform positive charge and electrons are embedded into it. The total positive charge is equal to total negative charge, so that an atom as a whole is electrically neutral. The mass of an atom is considered to be uniformly distributed. But Thomson couldn't give any experimental support in the favor of his model. He could not explain many experimental observations about the atoms. J.J. Thomson compared the atom with the Christmas pudding, in which the dry fruits represent the electron and whole pudding as a positive charge atom. He also compared the atom with the watermelon. The red edible part represents the positive charge, in which the electrons are embedded just like the seeds, as you can see in the diagram A and B. Now, so this is about Thomson atomic model, and the question which is coming on the basis of this topic is, on the basis of Thomson model of an atom, explain how an atom as a whole is neutral. So the second point which has been given by the Thomson model, that in an atom the total positive charge is equal to total negative charge, thus an atom is electrically neutral. Okay, so the model which has given by the Thomson was not accepted. However, the prediction that atom is electrically neutral was widely accepted and found to be valuable contribution. So this is about Thomson atomic model. In my next module, I will explain you the other four models. So in that way, you can understand the topic.